Cookie jar lurker bloopers. Take one. Hold it right there. What? Cut. What is the the angry pea head doing here? I had enough of your cookie jar lurker bloopers. I'm taking over the studio. Oh yeah? Not so fast. And now I must get rid of angry pea head split. I'll get my revenge. Anyhow, think again. Take two. Cut. What's Elmo doing? I'm looking for Caillou. Well, Caillou isn't here, so get out of the studios. Okay. Da. Each day I grow some more. Well, why is he singing that song? It's really annoying. Well, take three. Cut. What is the two-headed pea head doing here on the Cookie Jar channel? I'm looking for the long pea head. Here I am. Okay, you two guys, get out of here. Before Cookie Jar was scary with the .exe logo. And I'll take again. Take four. Now take four. Go. Cut. What is the 1971 logo PBS doing here? Dragon Tail. Well, Dragon Tails isn't here, so leave the studio right now. Okay. Restart. Sorry. Bye. Okay. Sorry about that nonsense. So why did the public broadcasting service say "reign over me"? That's really annoying. Just take it again. What? Cut. Why is Screen Gems doing here on the Cookie Jar channel? I'm tired of you kicking my friend's pea head, so I'm taking over the studio. Oh yeah, not so fast. Okay, now let's take it again. Take it again. Fox Kids. Cut. What's Fox Kids channel doing here? I'm taking over the studio because I love you guys. Don't you dare take it serious, so get out of the studio! Okay, fine, I hate you guys. Don't talk back to me like that, and don't talk back to Cookie Jar like that. Let's just take it again. Just take it again. Cut. What is Sony Wonder doing here? I want to look for Sesame Street. Well, Sesame Street isn't here because it was for babies. So please, get out of the studio. Well, let's take it again. Take it again. Spiffy. Cut. What is Spiffy Pictures doing here on the Cookie Jar channel? I want to look for Curious Buddies. Well, Curious Buddies isn't here, so get out of the studio. Well, I can always visit the Jack in the Basic box. Yeah, just get out of here now. Now let's take it again. What? Cut. Wait, Viacom V of Doom? It's you again. I'm taking over the studio. What you did is Screen Gems and Pea Head. What? Oh no indeed. That's right. We're taking over, and there's nothing you can do to stop us. What are we gonna do, Cookie Jar? Oh, really? Now we could scare Angry Pea Head, Screen Gems, Viacom out of the Cookie Jar. Here it comes. thank you, Klasky Chupo, for saving us. Thank you for saving us. Yeah, that's right. Cookie Jar, go tell Klasky Chupo, thank you for saving us. Cookie Jar, thank you for saving us. Hey, Klasky Chupo, stop saying that. You need to say, that's right. Hey, Cookie Jar, are you okay? That's right. Cookie Jar, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you need to tell Cookie Jar, thank you for saving us. Tell Cookie Jar, are you okay? Not thank you for saving us. But I need to ask Cookie Jar. We're going to do the last one. Hey, Cookie Jar, I need to ask you something. We're going to do the last one. But this is your warning, Cookie Jar. What is it? If you screw up again, you're fired. You understand? I understand. Okay, Cookie Jar. I hope you can be ready for the last take. But why did Klasky Chupo tell you thank you for saving us? Yeah, he's a big idiot. Hey, Cookie Jar, don't call Klasky Chupo a big idiot. Right, Klasky Chupo? That's right. You heard Klasky Chupo. But now, we're gonna do the last take for the last take of Cookie Jar Lurker Bloopers. 2019 episode of Cookie Jar Lurker Bloopers. I hope you are ready for the last take, Cookie Jar. So let's take the last one. Oh yeah, also, if you screw up again, you're fired. Do you understand? Alright, take the last one. Cookie Jar! What? Cut. That's it. Cookie Jar, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. Wait for me, I gotta watch Angry Birds. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm Angry Birds, so gotta go, bye! By the way, I'm Angry Birds, so gotta go, bye!